Hello, Namaste, welcome to my channel. I am Ravi Kumar. In this video, we are going to learn about copy paste operations. Let's get into Excel. Generally, how we copy one cell to another cell. Name, place. You want to copy, you just copy it and paste it, right? What if you want to paste only the name apart from its format? Let's say I have a name which is bold. I've bolded it. Now I just want to copy name. I use special option, right? Paste, paste special, and I go to only value. See, what if I want to paste with format? Just paste it. What if I want to take the format of this? I'll just copy this, and here I want to format it. The place got bold, right? So how we do all this in macro? Let's see that. Created another sheet, copy paste. We'll go to developer options, go to Visual Studio, and now here I have already cell reference, which is my previous video. If you didn't watch it, go and watch it. I'll insert a module here. I'll rename this module. Let's start doing code. Sub and sub. For doing copy operations in macro, we have two methods. Let's see one by one. Range a1 dot value equals to. First, I'm giving value to the cell. Next, I want to copy this a1 value to a2. Sorry, maybe I don't give to a2, I'll give to c1. C1 dot value equals to range a1 dot value. Let's debug this step by step. So if you see here, there is one we got an error because in macros you should be very precise in naming convention. I've missed you here, so because of that I've got a exception, right? We'll do this again. I've renamed this value. We got our copy here, and then we've copied that value to c1, so that a1 got into c1 cell, right? This is our c1 and this is our a1, so we copied a1 value to c1, right? So there is another method. By using a copy option, a copy property, we can do the same. So that for this I'll do the same range. I will first put a value to it as a number, and then I'll copy this range a2 dot. I use copy attribute. I'll leave it like that, and now I want this to be copied in my range b2 dot paste special. I use this soon after I use this copy method. I use this b2 dot paste special where you want to copy your attribute. So let's run this. I got SN number on my second tab, and then I'm copying that to B2, right? I've got my copy SN number to cell 2 to B2, A2 to B2 I got. So now if you see this, I've got to ends up, but still we are getting this highlighted area. To remove this, we have to set false to cut copy mode. Application dot cut copy mode equals to false. Okay, let's run this step by step. We got our copy, and then we copied it to C1, and then we put an I2 SN number to A2, and we copy that to B2, and then now we are removing that highlight, right? So this is how we do our copy paste. I've seen earlier in Excel, when we are doing copy paste, we are using a paste special operation. So we'll see that operation here. I'll create a one more fill, and I'll make them bold, and I want to copy them to G. Okay, so we'll see that. So range F1 to F10 dot copy, and I want to paste that in G1 to G10 range G1 to G10, paste special. This time I want to use a property to pasting the special. Earlier we've seen while pasting special we get number of properties, right? So here we get the same. We got lot of options here. It is asking for paste formats. It is asking for paste values only. So something like that. If I use only paste values, we'll see what happens. Okay, I have got this F and I want to paste all these values to G, and I use a property called Excel paste values. When I run this, I've got all the apples to my G column, but it doesn't have bold functionality, right? So to enable that bold functionalities, we have to use formats as well, right? So I'll use the same line again here, but this time I'll use formats as well. Okay, so there are number of things you can do. You can play around with this, but currently I am showing only few. Debug the whole concept and see from start. Okay, so we'll see all this program running one line by line. We'll use this debug option to do that. First we'll go from first line. So we'll start this. I wanted to put a copy value in A1, and which is there, and then I want to copy C1 to A1 value to C1. I'm using this line to do that. And now I want to put a SN number to A2. I'm doing that. Now I want to paste that using the second method. I want to paste that to B2, which I've done. So after that, I see this highlighted area on the A1, A2. So to remove that, I'm using this application dot cut copy paste to false. Right, this is gone. And now I'm using a paste special operation where I want to show you multiple types of operations, like only formatting, only values, only links, something like that. So I'm putting a special value to D1 to D10, and then I'm copying it to paste special, and then I'm putting it into E1 to E10. Now I wanted to I want to copy F1 to F10, but I don't have anything here. Now I want to copy all these cats from G1 to G10, right? So, but I'm not copying with the bold. I'm not using the bold option. So see, we'll see how it will go. Copied, and then it got pasted, but there is no bold. Again, I'm doing it with a bold. Now it got bold, right? This is how we copy our values. We copy our values from one cell to another cell using special operations. We've manipulate the type cell formats. We manipulate the links formats in that. So to do that, you only have to after the space special, you have to just give a space, and then the intelligence will show what type of paste options are available here, right? Using all these paste options, you can put you can give the option. Based on that, the cell will be changed. That's all for this video. Thank you.